Troubleshoot Hey Siri not responding on your iOS device. Check if Hey Siri is turned on. Go to the iPhone or iPad settings. Select Siri and search. Turn on the Listen for Hey Siri switch. Follow the instructions on the screen to set up Siri. In Siri and search, toggle on Allow Siri when locked. Enter your device's passcode if prompted. Tap Siri responses. Choose Prefer spoken responses so Siri can respond loudly even when your iPhone is locked. Review other Siri settings and adjust them as needed. Before moving to the next step, we would like to recommend Combo Cleaner. To keep your device running smoothly, avoid malware infections, and free up disk space, we recommend using Combo Cleaner. Available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. Download and install it today at combocleaner.com. Grab our limited deal for Windows and Mac users. Use the coupon code PCRISK30 for 30% off at the checkout. Check the internet connection. Open a browser and search for an internet speed test. Run the test to see your current internet speed. Make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. If you can, move closer to your Wi-Fi router. In the control center, turn on airplane mode and wait for a few seconds. Then turn off airplane mode to reconnect. Restart your iPhone and iPad. Restarting your iPhone or iPad can fix Hey Siri not working because it refreshes the device's software, closing any apps or processes that might be causing the problem. It's like giving your device a new start. Turn on Always Listen for Hey Siri. Open the settings on your device. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Find and select Siri from the list. Turn on the Always Listen for Hey Siri switch. Reset Siri settings. Open your device settings and tap Siri and search. Turn off Listen for Hey Siri. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up Hey Siri again. Clean your device's microphone. Use a soft, dry brush to clean the microphone area. It will remove any loose dirt. Test the microphone by opening the Voice Memos app and recording a short message. Play it back to ensure the microphone is working. Sometimes, poorly made cases or screen protectors can block the microphone. Remove any case or screen protector and test the microphone again. Update your iPhone or iPad. Go to your device settings. Find and tap on General. Tap on Software Update. If an update is possible, tap Download and Install or Install Now. Reset all settings. Open Settings and go to General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset. Tap Reset and select Reset all settings. Enter the device passcode and confirm the action. To enhance security and recover device space on your iPhone, download the Combo Cleaner app. With the Internet Security feature, Combo Cleaner will protect your web browsing from scams, phishing, malicious downloads, and rogue websites. The password checker lets you see if your password is strong and not easily hackable. This feature will also check the online breaches database and advise if your password is safe. VPN is also included in the app, which encrypts traffic and hides your IP. Identity protection allows you to assess if your data has been exposed. You can check if your data was disclosed in a breach. SMS security filters SMS messages that contain malicious links, which can compromise your data. Photo Cleaner can help you quickly identify and remove similar photos and the ones with quality issues. The Secure Calendar feature scans links in calendar events and notifies you of the rogue ones, protecting your data from theft. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.